Hello my little learners, how are you all today? So we are continuing with our worksheet and we have done the unseen passage 1 and unseen passage 2 and unseen passage 3 जो है वो passage 1 वाला repeat हो गया है, तो आपको unseen passage 3 नहीं करना है. You don't have to do unseen passage 3, right? Now we will be doing the seen passage today. And what else? Since all of you had confusion in punctuations, that is exclamation, full stop and question mark, along with onomatopoeia, so what we are going to do today is worksheet का scene passage के साथ साथ I am going to give you additional exercise for onomatopoeia and the punctuations. Now what is punctuation? As you all must be knowing, when the sentence ends we put a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark according to the sentence, right? Sentence के according हम उसमें punctuations लगाते हैं. So we are going to do that also today. So let's start our lesson. And for those जिनको worksheets नहीं मिले हैं, मैंने आपके ग्रुप में PDF डाला है. The PDF of worksheet is already being shared in the group. So you have to take a printout and आप worksheet कर सकते हो, right? Okay, चलो let's start with the lesson. Now seen passage में there is a text का passage which is from your story of Gulliver. So what is it? Let's read it. He was completely exhausted. Exhausted is, what is the meaning of exhausted? Tired, right? Pain was running up and down his entire body. So what was it? The pain was, उसको पूरे body में दर्द हो रहा था. He soon fell into deep sleep. वो जल्दी ही बहुत गहरी नींद में सो गया. अभी यहाँ पे वो कौन है? He कौन है? Who is he? He is Gulliver, right? When he woke up, he could not only look up. जब वो उठा तो वो ऊपर भी नहीं देख पा रहा था. The bright sun prevented him from seeing anything. So what happened? जो sun था वो इतना bright था कि वो ऊपर कुछ देख ही नहीं पा रहा था, आंखें ही नहीं खोल पा रहा था. He felt something moving across his legs and over his chest. So उसको क्या फील हुआ? कुछ चल रहा है उसकी चेस्ट पे, पैरों पे, है ना, उसकी बॉडी पे कुछ चल रहा है. एंड देन व्हाट डिड ही सॉ? ही सॉ लिटिल मैन रनिंग ऑल अराउंड हिम. उसने क्या देखा? उसने देखा छोटे छोटे लोग उसके पूरी बॉडी पे घूम रहे हैं, दौड़ रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं. वन लिटिल मैन हैड गॉट अ टाइनी लैडर. एक छोटे से आदमी के पास एक छोटी सी सीढ़ी थी. एंड वॉज क्लाइंबिंग अप टू हिम. और वो सीढ़ी पे चढ़कर गलीवर तक पहुंच रहा था. गलीवर रब्ड हिज आईज इन डिसबिलीफ. गलीवर ने क्या किया? अपनी आँखों को रब किया. डिसबिलीफ मतलब डाउट में. यू रिमेंबर द मीनिंग ऑफ डिसबिलीफ? डिसबिलीफ इज डाउट, राइट? एंड प्रिवेंटेड का मतलब टू स्टॉप. प्रिवेंट का मतलब टू स्टॉप, राइट? So this is about the scene passage. Now we will be doing the question related to the same. Now turn the page. So here is our first question. Explain Gulliver's condition. गलीवर की कंडीशन कैसी थी ये आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. See, it is written over here, right? He was completely exhausted. Pain was running up and down, and he soon fell into deep sleep. So what was his condition? So we will write here. He was completely exhausted. Pain was running all over, and he fell into deep sleep. Right? So this was the condition of Gulliver. Now what did he feel? What did he feel? See, what did he feel? He felt something moving across his legs and over his chest, right? So what did he feel? He felt something moving over his chest and legs. Right? Now number 3. What were the little men doing? What were the little men doing? See, it's written in the passage. Little men were running all around him, right? So, what were the little men doing? The little men were running all around him. Right? What did Gulliver not believe? 4th question. The Gulliver rubbed his eyes in disbelief, right? So, what did Gulliver not believe? Gulliver did not believe on whatever he saw after waking up. गलीवर उठने के बाद जो भी कुछ देखा उस पे उसको भरोसा नहीं हुआ, राइट? ओके, डन टिल हियर? Done till here? Now, proceeding to the next question. Number 5. Find the past tense of wake ka. What is the past tense of wake? See, it's given here, woke, right? It's given in the passage itself. Woke. Wake ka woke. So what do we write? Woke. W-O-K-E. Woke. B. feel. F-E-E-L, feel. So the past tense of feel is felt. F-E-L-T, felt. Right? Now number 6. Are we done? Can we move to number 6? Chalo, let's do number 6. Find the synonyms of. Synonyms का मतलब meaning. So doubt का meaning क्या है passage में? Disbelief, right? He rubbed his eyes in disbelief, isn't it? So doubt का meaning is disbelief. D-I-S-B-E-L-I-E-F. Disbelief. B. Tired. Tired का meaning is exhausted, right? Passage में है ना exhausted. He was completely exhausted. So we write here E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. Exhausted. Right? Now find antonyms. Antonyms का मतलब opposite, right? So energized. Energized मतलब full energy, right? So energy का opposite is tired. So हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा है पैसेज में? Tired का meaning is exhausted. So we write exhausted. Number 7 is E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. Exhausted. B. Big. What is the meaning of opposite of big? Big का opposite is small, isn't it? Small. So that is all for the worksheet. फिर हम chapter 7 करने के बाद chapter 7 का worksheet करेंगे, है ना? So we continue with our onomatopoeia का exercise. Let's do that. Now see, I have found out certain questions on onomatopoeia words. अब आपको क्या करना है? I am going to share this at the end of the video. आपको you have to fill in the blanks with correct onomatopoeia word, and in the next page you have to fill in the blanks with correct punctuation. Okay? Now first is the popcorn went dash in the microwave. So popcorn क्या करता है? Pop करता है. Pop. Pop is onomatopoeia. Number 2. The car screeched quickly around the corner. Screeched. What is screeched? कॉर्नर पे जब कार टर्न लेता है ना तो एक स्क्रीच करके आवाज होता है. So that is screeched. Number 3. The students were chattering in the classroom. क्या कर रहे थे? Students बातें कर रहे थे क्लासरूम में. Chattering है ना? So chattering is the onomatopoeia. That means बातों को हम कॉपी करके इमिटेट कर रहे हैं, which is chattering. The delivery. Number 4. The delivery man knocked on the front door. So हम लोग दरवाजे के ऊपर क्या करते हैं? Knock knock, right? So knocked is a onomatopoeia. The audience clapped at the end of the day. So audience ने क्या किया? Clap किया. So clap is onomatopoeia. The dog barked at the intruder. Intruder is what? Intruder is बाहर के लोग, अनजान लोग. उसके ऊपर डॉग ने क्या किया? Bark. So barked is onomatopoeia. Now number 7. The duck quacked in the lake. You all know that, right? Duck का quack is onomatopoeia. ये तो सबको मालूम है. Number 8. The race car zoomed past the other car. अगर एक कार दूसरे कार को क्रॉस करती है तो कैसा आवाज आता है? Zoom, right? So zoomed past the other car. Now number 9, the feather fluttered to the ground. जब बहुत सारे पंख जमीन पे गिरते हैं तो उसकी आवाज को क्या कहते हैं? फ्लटर्ड. जब पक्षी अपने पंख को फड़फड़ाता है ना, इट इज कॉल्ड फ्लटरिंग. सो फ्लटर्ड. फ्लटर्ड इज onomatopoeia. The cat mewed when it was happy. So how does the cat say? What is the sound of cat? It mews, right? So the cat mewed when it was happy. Mewed is onomatopoeia. The basin sizzled on the frying pan. फ्राइंग पैन के ऊपर जब हम कुछ फ्राई करते हैं तो उसका जो आवाज आता है, that is known as sizzling, sizzled. So sizzled is onomatopoeia. And in the next page we have punctuation. So we have given words, sentences, उसके एंड में आपको करेक्ट punctuations लगाने हैं. जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क चाहिए वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क, जहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप चाहिए वहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप, एंड जहाँ पर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क चाहिए वहाँ पर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लगाना है. राइट? सो फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट टाइम इज इट? इट इज अ क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस. सो वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Tommy has 2 sisters. This is what? This is declarative sentence. That means declaration हो रहा है यहाँ पर. So we put a full stop. Number 3, wow, they are already done. So wow is exclamation. So we put a exclamation mark at the end, exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory sentence. Now number 4, the cat watches the mouse. This is a normal sentence. So we put a full stop. Number 5, finish your plate. This is what? This is command sentence. That means order दिया जा रहा है. Command sentence. अगर इसी में हम please लगा देंगे, please finish your plate, so it becomes request sentence. Now number 6, is there another person coming? So what is this? This is a question statement. Number 7, careful, it is hot. So careful is an expression. हम express कर रहे हैं, right? So we put a exclamatory mark. जहाँ पर हम कुछ express करते हैं, there is always an exclamation over there. Give me the red pencil. This is order statement, that is command statement, right? So we put a full stop. Now I am going to share these questions at the end of this video. You can copy it and write it down. So that is all for today. Catch you up in the next class.